Alright, let's see. So we got another vinyl shipment from the Sound of Vinyl. I'm not sure which shipment this one is. It actually does feel sort of heavy. Now I had ordered some additional ones with one of my rewards, but I don't know which one this is exactly. But I am still missing some vinyl orders. We will find out soon enough. Alright. So we got it. The label just fell out. Perfect. Let's see. I think it's the one that I paid extra for. Yep. So I got Patience by Guns N' Roses. This is supposed to be a yellow color vinyl. As you can see. And there's only 2 tracks on it, but it's from Geffen Records. It looks like a rare vinyl. I also got I got this vinyl, Purple Rain by Prince, picture disc, and they had a free shipping promotion, so I figured I would take advantage of that. Not only was it free shipping, I got $10 off as well. So I had a $10 coupon from my previous purchases. And this one, as you can see, is the Reservoir Dogs soundtrack. And it's a red vinyl. Funny, it doesn't even say that it's a red vinyl. But I did pay for the red vinyl. Anyways, that's it for today. That's the only shipment that we received, to my knowledge. Hopefully there will be more, because I am expecting another 3 or 4 boxes with vinyls, and that's it for today.